Township Public Schools family. I hope you had a wonderful summer, a chance to relax, recharge, and make memories with those who matter most. Now, as we get ready to start the 2025-2026 school year, I want to put a challenge before all of us. Aspire to inspire excellence. Let's begin with the end in mind. See the potential in every student and work together to bring out their very best. A huge thank you to our custodians, maintenance teams, secretaries and administrators, as well as our board office staff, our dedicated Board of Education, and our incredible PTAs for working so hard behind the scenes to make sure that we're ready. And to our Director of Special Education, Mrs. Sherry Copin, and the Child Study Team educators, thank you for an outstanding summer program for our students. Congratulations as well to Mrs. Lauren Barrington and the entire HTSAC crew for a fabulous summer camp experience that truly did not disappoint. You made this summer one to remember for so many of our kids. By now, you should have received your back to school guide. It's chock full of important information. Please be sure to complete your return to school forms in PowerSchool, set up your PaySchools account for our new lunch program, and check out our district website for our up-to-date calendar of events. And remember, whether you're a Bee Meadow Bee, a Mount View Road Eagle, Salem Drive Jaguar, or a Memorial Junior School Viking, you are always part of the Hanover Township family. We can't wait to open our doors, our hearts, and our minds on September 2nd for staff and September 4th for students. Here's to a year where we aspire to inspire excellence for every child, every day. And let's make this school year next level. And now, I'd like to pass it to our new Director of Technology, Mr. Michael Falgaris, who's here to introduce himself and share details about our new Hanover Halo Chromebook protection plan and all the exciting advancements in technology. Take it away, Michael.
Whether you're returning or new to Hanover, this video will walk you through key technology updates for the 25-26 school year. What's new, what's changing, and what you need to know to get started. Let's begin with Chromebooks. Our one-to-one Chromebook program, it starts in kindergarten. From grades K to 2, the Chromebooks stay in the classroom. Each student has their own assigned device. Grades 3 and up, students bring home their device to and from school. This year we're launching a new 3-year replacement cycle, so students in grades 3 and 6 will receive a brand new Lenovo Chromebook. So let's talk about protecting those devices. One of the first things I did in this new role was to review how much money we were spending on Chromebook repairs. And the numbers, they were eye-opening. Accidental damage, broken screens, missing chargers, it all adds up. That's why going forward, families will be financially responsible for lost or damaged Chromebooks. This aligns with current and updated board policy. To give you a sense of the costs, a cracked screen is $90. New keyboard, $40, a replacement charger, $25. Now I'm a parent too, and every child, no matter how careful, they can make mistakes. That's why we're introducing Hanover Halo, an optional Chromebook insurance program. For under $30 a year, it covers accidental damage, theft, loss, hardware issues, lost chargers, and even fires and floods. It's called the Everything Plan because it really does cover just about everything. Coverage begins right after you check out and lasts through June 30th, 2026. Now, families must enroll by the end of September using a special link. Here's how it works. If damage occurs, the student tells the EdTech specialist in their school. Now that teacher will open a claim and they'll issue the student a loaner device, which will also be covered while their device is being repaired. The first 2 claims, there's no deductible. Any claim beyond the first 2 may be assessed a $20 deductible. We'll handle the shipping, the repairs, and most devices will be back to school within 7 to 10 school days. Even students in K through 2, those families should consider Hanover Halo 2 because accidents can happen anywhere, whether it's in the classroom or even around the school. And so for under $30, you get that real peace of mind. Next up, YouTube. Starting this year, YouTube is fully blocked on all student Chromebooks. Whether they're at school or home, students will not be able to access YouTube. Now, we made this change to reduce distractions and to support focused learning. Now, we realize YouTube has some great educational content too. So here's the balance. Teachers can still post approved videos in Google Classroom. Once they post them, that specific video becomes visible to students. It's really a smart way to allow instructional use without giving over full access. And we also know that online safety is a shared responsibility. It's a school and home together, right? So we're giving parents a new tool. It's called Securely Home. It's a free mobile app that helps you stay connected to your child's internet usage at home. Now with Securely Home, you can get weekly email snapshots, receive real-time alerts for flagged content, pause the internet during dinner or bedtime, set offline schedules, and view your child's recent web searches and website history. No matter where your child is, whether they're home, a friend's house, or even grandma's, the district filters are still hard at work. But now you can get visibility into what's happening too. We'll send out instructions on how to download and set all that up in September. And now AI, let's talk about it, right? Many of you are already using AI. Maybe you're using it to write an email, plan a meal, or draft that work presentation that's due today. Students are using it too, to brainstorm essays, to practice foreign languages, or to get help coding. AI isn't going anywhere. And so we're not ignoring it, we're embracing it responsibly. This year, if a student tries to access ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or any other popular AI chatbot, they're going to be redirected to our very own AI assistant called Securely Chat. It's powered by the same AI language models, but with the safety and oversight schools need and that parents want. Teachers can view their students' chat interactions, and yes, that content, it's filtered too. So students still get to explore the power of AI, just in a protected space. And we're also working on a district-wide AI plan to help us use the technology safely, ethically, and with purpose. Next, I want to remind you of two apps that are mission critical for parents and students. First, a quick reminder about Clever. Clever is a single sign-on platform that our students use every day. Think of it as a digital doorway for learning. Now, grades K to 2, they use something called a Clever badge that they hold up to their Chromebook camera, and it logs them in. It's fast, it's fun. Now, grades 3 to 8, those students use their Google account to access everything they need, all in one place. No need to remember separate usernames or passwords. Just log into Clever, choose an app, and go. Now let's shift to the PowerSchool Parent Portal. This is your go-to tool for staying connected throughout the school year. You'll use PowerSchool to complete your return to school forms, view teacher assignments, class schedules, and bus information. Check attendance, report cards, update your contact information like phone numbers, emails, and emergency contacts. Right now, when you try to log in, you'll see a message that says you must complete the return to school forms. Before, you'll be able to see information like your child's teacher, your class schedule, or even your child's bus number, route, or approximate pickup window. Now, all of that information will be released before the end of August, but we've opened up early so that you can get a head start by completing the forms. Then, on the release date, you'll be able to have access to that information. The release dates, well, elementary school, it's August 22nd, and for the middle school, grades 6 through 8, it's August 27th. Now, if you do not return those return to school forms, right, you don't complete them, then you're not going to be able to see that information on the release date. But if you get a head start and you complete all the forms, then you will be able to see that information on that release date. Again, the portal will stay locked until you finish the required forms. We've made it that simple. There's a short tutorial video linked in the Back to School guide to help you navigate through that process. It should take you less than 15 minutes. Well, that's everything for now. I know it's a lot, but our goal is to make sure that you feel prepared, supported, and connected. We'll continue sharing updates throughout the year, and our team is always here if you need help. I look forward to working with all of you and helping your children have a safe, connected, and successful school year. Thanks for watching, and aspire to inspire